You all live here?
It's my mom's house.
Is she all right?
Yeah, hang on a second. I'm gonna get this.
All right, thank you, Josh. Quite a night indeed it was the other night.
It was.
Now have a look at some of these photos. These aren't from other parts of the country. These are photos from right here in our region, and they paint a picture of destruction unlike anything we've seen here. Death, destruction. This is what the deadly tornadoes did to our communities.
We've got to help our neighbors. And it's, you know, I was fortunate enough to where my home didn't receive any damage whatsoever. But I mean, if you look around, just the devastation, I mean, these people lost everything. So we've got to do what we can.
But it's worse. It is. I mean, the people have seen it on TV.